The new fleet's making a massive difference to us as a train operator. The environment's a lot cleaner, it's a lot newer, it's a lot brighter. It's just a much better environment for our customer.
The new trains are a step change from the old trains. They offer so much more to the customer than we were able to offer before. The accessibility is second to none. The slide and step capability means that it's a completely accessible platform. So all in all, people will have a pleasanter, smoother ride, get to where they need to be when they need to be there.
The decision to invest in the new trains was made in the first instance because the old trains which have been with us since the late 1970s were getting older. But also we knew that we wanted to improve the facilities for Merseyrail's passengers. We wanted extra passenger carrying capacity, we wanted better facilities on board the trains, and we wanted to speed the railway up.
So I think it's fair to say initially when we started rolling the trains out, we did experience a few teething issues. I'm pleased to say over the last couple of months we've managed to address them, and we're starting to see the trains now become more reliable, which ultimately means they're more punctual and they turn up for customers on time.
We can already see some of the benefits to the customers with regards to Head Bolt Lane to New Station that we've opened. The level boarding must be absolutely fantastic for our passengers. As part of the new fleet, we have had a brand new simulator installed at Kirkdale Depot, which we are currently using for new fleet training.
I can't wait to complete the rollout of these Class 777 trains. The Grand National really showed the capabilities of these trains for me this year. I've been in the business for the last 15 years, and this was by far the most successful event that we've done. That was predominantly down to the amount of people that we could move per hour, taking them from the racecourse into the city centre so they continue their night out. In the future, these new trains will be 4 times more reliable than the old fleet, and when you couple that with the reduction in journey times, we're just offering the city region and the people who live here a much better service.